Welcome back to the channel. Let's craft a fresh abstract shape using the direct selection tool. Start with a simple rectangle on your canvas. Activate the direct selection tool to reveal its anchor points. Pull the top right anchor diagonally inward. Now shift the bottom left anchor display slightly outward. These two moves immediately create dynamic tension. Next, adjust the handle to soften the angles. Rotate the curve by dragging one handle outward. Continue shaping until a unique abstract pattern forms. If symmetry breaks, adjust opposite anchor to regain balance. Keep refining each point for a fluid modern look. Push the mid path segment for gentle branding.